Guangzhou Changfan Intelligent Technology Co., Limited. It is a professional industrial control server solution provider. Rich experience in multi-scenario applications. Create professional intelligence and advanced security for users. More humane cyber security. Network routing. Wireless control and integrated management applications. Changfan Technologies specializes in the production of firewalls for soft routing. Gateway behavior management. Gatekeeper. UTM. SDWAN. IPTV. AC controller. Web monitoring. And various high-performance servers and other hardware hosts. Support OEM, ODM, and other cooperation methods to customize personalized products. The company has a number of industry certifications, can assist partners with network access licensing, 3C, and other certifications. Changfan Technology products. It can not only meet the needs of military and political, but also enterprise users, mainly for industry software developers, carrier integrator, agents, etc. Provide supporting machine solutions. Changfan Technology. We have a young and dynamic team. Strictly control product quality. Continuously improve service quality. Committed to becoming the age of network data, innovators and leaders in security applications.